Hello, everyone. Welcome back to episode 4 today. I don't know how long we'll keep it with these episode numbers, but for the moment it's episode 4, so another live today. And like you see in the title, in the thumbnail, was a very important day, at least in my opinion. I don't know how many people they watch that guy have to say. Us in our community, we watch together to see what is going on and how this guy will be in the future, because in my opinion it's a big change what happened in the past with the previous Fed chair. Now it's in a totally different way to manage things, especially, and me personally, I like what is going on now, because no more insiders. I hope when I'm talking about insiders, I'm talking about in the past, in my opinion, a lot of politicians take advantage about them, what this guy have to say. So now let's see how it will be. But again, I prepare something for you today, guys, to show you some type of small conclusion what come after this guy's speech. And like you can see, also if you're watching the charts in that period of time, was some type of volatility. We have also some numbers for you, but first let me bring my boys. Hello guys, welcome back.
What's up?
How are we doing?
Good, buddy. Good. Sorry?
Enjoying the volatility in the market?
Oh yeah, of course. Like I told you, I was out from the market. Yeah, today I try only to scalp in that period of time. I'm not taking consideration that trade spot we have together. Remember what I told you? For me, if it's in spot, it's not a trade. I need some leverage there to consider a trade. But yeah, it's still working. And I'm still in Qualcomm from yesterday, like I show here on live on YouTube. So I'm still in that one. It's playing very well. But today we have other players stepping in. I'm talking about in the food related area, commodities. Are what is going on there? In my opinion, we can take a big advantage about that. But first, guys, like I told you, I prepare something for you to understand better what is going on and how was that speech from the Fed chair, because it's very important. And I don't know how many people they pay attention, but I like what that guy said, because literally I listen every word what have to say. And I like when tell everyone from now on they will take in consideration only, and he say only, CPI and PPI numbers, which is very important in my opinion. Don't know if you noticed that, but because in the past the Fed was influenced also by other let's say external factors. Now only the numbers is the most important. And in my opinion, it's a big change. He also talking about inflation. We're still looking on the numbers, but it's very high from the target they have, which is 2%. And to be honest, I didn't know. Remember, Bibi, when I asked you, buddy, what is the inflation in US?
You're like, I don't know. Already? I was like, no, we're very far from
But yeah, buddy, if you think about it, it's 3 and something percent. Yeah, coming my country, it's 8%. 8% the inflation, so it's crazy. Yeah, so there is nothing. Guys, I was looking on that one. Let me share, because I build something for the month. Before I want to discuss before showing that one, I want to but no, I think I will start with this one. Yeah, let me bring here the where is it? Okay. So guys, I build something very fast. Also, I used also some information also Matt shared with me. So thank you, Matt, for that one, buddy. I shorted a little bit, only 2 pages. And I compress the information. So the Fed can cool demand, cannot create supply. Yeah, and it will be a very big problem. Also, I will show you what happened today, which type of information we shared today in our community, because we take advantage about that one. Also, yesterday was only cocoa starting moving and others, but today they continue the move with other commodities, which in my opinion is very, very important. Also some metals, guys, we see today, and I have some crazy numbers I didn't expect in some of them. Oh my god, they make crazy percentages. We're looking in this type of commodities to make 10%, by the way. 10%, it's crazy.
Huge.
In a day. Yeah, huge. I didn't expect that. So yeah, guys, we created this one also, which will be shared. This is the second page, which will be shared in the this is the first page, which will be shared in our community. So look what is going on here. Hawkish on inflation, yeah, quite on the exact next move. Yeah, the policy signal was clear enough to lift near-term hike expectations without establishing equities. Yeah, so hawkish structural communications. Yeah, so the message: price first. This is the most important, in my opinion, area from here. Yeah, inflation cooling has not yet changed the underlying trend. So I don't know if you noticed, guys, but he spoke about a trend. He liked to look on trends, yeah, not only on the numbers, because sometimes remember what this guy is talking about, because numbers can change very fast. Also, he's looking like in my opinion, he's thinking like a trend, like a trader. I don't know what is your opinion. Yeah, because we're looking for trend. Yeah, we try to detect all the time a trends. Yeah, if it's an uptrend, downtrend, or sideways. So I like how this guy is thinking. Yeah, so 2% stay fixed. Yeah, Warsh called the inflation objective a firm target. So I don't know how long they will take until this inflation will go to 10% to 2%. Man, which is crazy. Think about, I wish to be also, for example, in my country, the inflation to be the similar with what is going on now in US. Yeah, I told you, in my it's crazy what is going on there. But yeah, I don't want to keep it to guys too long on these two sheets I created here. Also will be available in our community. If you want to go more in detail, please join our community. You have the link in the description for free. Yeah, so go and check it there, and you find this type of research there. I want to jump to other things which are, in my opinion, very important, because we are traders, yeah, and we like to take advantage about the news, and especially when the news affect the markets. And I'm talking about, oh, sorry guys, I'm talking about the news I share in the morning related with the commodities. Yeah, so this market was affected, like you can see now. Yesterday we're talking about only on cocoa. Today show up another 4 of them. Yeah, and I'm talking about, I don't know if you see the spike also on wheat. Wheat start pushing also from yesterday. So it's a problem with wheat. With the basically the exports are blocked now by Russia and the Black Sea. Right, so I don't know what to believe, because it's literally, I'm not joking, 200 kilometers from my side, from here. Yeah, if I'm driving 200 kilometers, so yeah. I go to the Black Sea. I know also a lot of wheat is coming also in our port, in our country, and to be exported to the whole Europe, because the war in Ukraine. Also now they're using heavily our port here. So I didn't know about this problem, but apparently now, I don't know how long will be, by the way, but already with chart start moving to the upside. Also problem because of the heat and flows, what is going on in China. You already see it, and it's not only China. Oh, by the way, guys, you see what happened yesterday in Nepal?
Yeah, man, that's very devastating.
No.
I had a flash flood, and
yeah.
Oh, okay.
It's very sad. It's very sad. I think there's still like 300 people missing. A lot of them are tourists. The videos are horrifying, man, horrifying, because it's like a mudslide at the same time. So like it just locked down the whole thing. It's quite devastating. Yeah, it's very unfortunate. Hope everyone's safe.
I saw that, and because this is the consequences, for what happened yesterday there, because also in China it's a lot of heat now, I understand, and flood everywhere. So it's a problem with this type, and will affect corn, will affect soybean and cotton. So if you look on this chart already, some of them are start moving already. We saw the yesterday gap in that corn. Remember when I showed that one was a huge gap on corn, and it's crazy what is going on there. I will keep watching this one because I think will be affected. It's a high chance all these four commodities to go up in price for a while. So it's very disturbing. I know it sounded bad, but for us, we are trader, and maybe we can take advantage about this. It's not good what is going on, because eventually we pay more for products in the future. But at least we can cover that, let's say, price increase in this one. If we are making some trades here, take advantage about that. And for us will be much easier, but it's not okay what is going on. I know it's bad. Nothing we can do. That's the problem, baby, because it's not because of the war, because of the weather. So it's a natural event. Unfortunately, you cannot control this type of things. So and guys, this type of news come every day in our club. Like you can see, this is the commodities, TMM commodities daily. You receive this type of news every day before London session. So this is the only the commodity. This individual stock. Also, we can watch every day a couple of the stocks with are relevant for that day. And here of the global indices, because us we're looking on all of indices, not only the one from US. So this we find in our community. So press that link. Our community is built on top one circle. You have the link in the description. Again, try it. It's for free. You don't lose nothing. And now let's go to the charts, guys. Now I want to go straight away in commodities, the one we share the news in our community in the morning. And look what happened with wheat. Wheat start moving from the beginning of the week, continue, and I shared this one in our club in London session, and look what happened. Finally break that resistance. I like what I'm seeing in that period of time, and now it's moving very nice. I don't know where it will stop. Yes, buddy.
When was it I was on here? Was it like 2 weeks ago or 3 weeks ago or something with you? And I was talking about wheat. It is up 17% from the day I said about it. So it is.
Nice call, buddy. Nice call. I know. I didn't take it because I was watching something else, if you remember, in that period of time. Even now, me personally, buddy,
you can't do it now.
I didn't take it. I saw that one, but I don't have capital left. Not joking. I show, buddy. I'm not joking. Let me show you. I like to be transparent. I will show you my crypto account. I was in this one. I was stopped out. Look, I don't have money left. They stopped me out on that one. I don't joking. I move everything to TradFi. All the I left here something for scalps. That's it. I'm just scalping the market. I move everything to TradFi. so that's the reason, buddy.
A smarter play for sure. Honestly, with everything happening, they're definitely the smarter player right now, especially food related companies, as you're discussing. For sure.
Yeah, buddy. So that's now. If I want to open another trade, I cannot, Chris. Because everything it's on that one on Coco. So I shared this one. Unfortunately, I didn't take it. I hope our members take this one, because it was a beautiful play. Look what is going on now. It's going up, and like you're talking about in that period of time, buddy, look where it's going now. It's a strong resistance in my opinion here, but if this type of problems continue for a while, I think wheat can go very high. And I have another target. We know how we trade in our community, level by level. So if it's breaking that one now, in my opinion, it's not the time to enter. If you didn't take entry in that area, wait to see what is going on, because this one still can climb. And by the way, we know what is coming. Yeah, weekend is coming, and this type of market is closed in the weekend. So my advice to you, if somebody is looking on this type of commodities for a trade, please wait until Monday. Yeah, because it's not worth it. Yeah, it's a chance this one to push until the market will be closed, and let's see how will this one will play from Monday. Because now, let me make this one a little bit bigger. Of course, you have two scenarios for next week. Yeah, starting from Monday. If this one continue, retest and move to the upside, of course, or can make some type of retracement, something like that. At least that one. The reason I put it there, because I show you already when break that type of, let's say, bull flag on the smaller time frames, maybe will be a strong support. Or if it's not keeping that one, of course you have different tools. Put a fib level when all the move started. Yeah, we'll see in that period of time where the top will be. Put this fib level on the top and wait for 236, 382 or 618, in my opinion, to see what is going on there, because it's a chance to coming back. By the way, the retest can happen very fast. You never know with this type of, especially when there are problems in the world related with this type of commodities. But yeah, this is my view for wheat. If you are me, again, I told you I'm not in. I hope some of the members in our community already take it. But this is the play I'm seeing. Maybe you're seeing something else, Bibi or Chris, on this one?
No. I see upside.
Chris is the expert on these.
Yeah, he called it long time ago.
Yeah.
Long time ago.
6.4, I said.
Yeah.
6.4.
Nice, from there, buddy.
Yeah.
Around there. So let's see how it will be from this one. Nothing to do. Like I told you, this one is still moving. Look, this is the second day. It's still going to the upside. That is my entry. I put it there because remember when I told you, I entered in the first minute of that 15 minutes candle. After I saw the first signal, I'm still in. I already protect myself. I put the stop loss to be break even, just in case, you never know. So now for Cocoa, look what is going on here. It's trying to break this type of resistance. Yeah, so also it's a very important area. Is the time to enter now? No, in my opinion, because already you missed the move. Let's see what is going on. Again, weekend is coming, so it's better to wait to see what is going on in this one. Thank you, buddy. I was watching this one for a while.
Did it come back to 618 or 382, or what did it come back to? Remember it was dropping the other day?
Where?
Whenever you took
yesterday.
Was it the first day you took it? Was it the first? Yeah. When did you take this? 2 days ago? Yesterday?
I take it exactly after I saw the news, buddy. I put alarms when the market. I was waiting first candle on 15 minutes. Was freaking nonsense. After I wait for the second candle, I see the signal, and I jump in, buddy. After the signal was entered. Also, not only because of the news, Chris. Because buddy on daily time frame playing like that and was squeezing, yeah, for me was a bull flag. Perfect. So look how it's doing, squeezing, finally push it. So that's the reason. Of course, not on daily time frame. I was watching on smaller time frames, of course, and that's the reason I take it. Combined with the news, buddy, that one explode.
Perfect.
Explode.
Yeah.
And I watch something. You know where is the best chocolate in the world? Yeah. Belgium.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. So
better than the Swiss? Is the Swiss and the Belgians gonna have a fight?
No, yeah, but Belgium are better.
Okay. Belgium, they have a big institution there. So if you want to be a very good, it's not a
chocolatier.
Chocolatier, exactly. You need to make and go and study in Belgium. Yeah.
Okay.
So yeah, it's crazy. So now the guys from there, they are concerned because they need to increase the prices, because it will be if this one is going I don't understand, guys. It's already freaking expensive in Belgium, the chocolate. Don't get me wrong, it's the best chocolate in the world, yeah, but hell, why cut a little bit from the margin? Don't be greedy. But But yeah, let's see how it will be, because I told you it will be a very big problem from the next at least 2.5 months. Yeah, so let's see how it will be, and that's the reason this one is going to the upside. Now, if you want to take advantage about this market, in my opinion, you need to wait. Yeah, nothing to do now. Why? Because we have different scenarios. Already break that previous candle on the daily time frame. Is fighting with this one. It's on top. I have that 2 weeks there, to be honest. Let me make a little bit bigger. If it's breaking that, also that one, I think this one can go even higher. It's fighting with that resistance. So now is not the time, in my opinion. Wait until Monday. It's a chance to do like that, and you still have time. Yeah, so please watch this one. In my opinion, is worth it. Invalidation for this move. This one is a strong resistance. Monday is coming back like that. Retest this type of area and can go even higher. Yeah, because I see some type of resistance in this area on daily time frame. Sorry, I'm looking on the daily time frame on this one, but me personally, when I'm trading commodities, I'm looking on a daily time frame, and I need to see the confirmation on 4-hour time frame, and in that period of time I will take a trade, because it's not scalping. This one is like a swing trade, so it's a little bit different how I'm trading this type of market. That's the reason I can have patience. Sometimes months in a row. So yeah, these are the two scenario. I'm watching for Coco now. Also, you can put use different tools to help you put a fib level to see what is going on if a retracement is happening in that period of time. Yeah, so you have all the tools on your disposal. And yeah, nothing to do for the moment. In my opinion, again, is not the time to enter in this one. And let me jump to others, because also we're talking about soybean. Look what is going on with soybean. It's literally copying cocoa. It's moving to the upside. It's very bullish also, this one. Look what is going on. Also, I know one of our member is looking for this one to have a trade. I was looking on weekly time frame, guys. Look at this one. Yeah, for me that one was a rising wedge.
Yeah.
Now it's an important area. Yeah, I know I have too many. Let me because already these possible scenarios I put it there for our community, because somebody I told you was looking on this one, and it's in a very important area. If it's breaking this one, my suggestion is to wait. Like, of course, not on weekly time frame. Yeah, it's very clear. I hope everybody understand that. Don't wait a retest on weekly time frame. Yeah, you need to zoom in. But if it's going like that, the reason I go on weekly time frame, because I see all the picture and it's much easier to understand where is it this one now. Yeah, go like that, wait for a retest, because also it's very tricky. I know this line is not perfect, but look at this correlation now. The line with 382 on Fibonacci level, this one I put it in a reverse way to see where the possible move to the upside. So if it's breaking this one, coming back retest, and only for that type of move to touch on 0.53, if it's coming back like that, guys, it's 10%.
Yeah,
it's a very good move.
Yep.
Yeah, again, you need to have patience. That's the most important thing. And yeah, that's it with soybean. Also, we were watching today oranges. Yeah, a couple of our members trying to have an entry on this one. It's doing, I don't know how to call it, but in my opinion, it's a little bit tricky what is going on now with orange juice. One of our member was very pissed off, guys, because we watching that guy, the Fetcher, talking about. Chris, you don't know, but he wasn't in the the US session, and he missed that retest. I was, man, what you doing? I'm sorry, buddy. I didn't mention your name, but you know who I'm talking about. Please, next time, don't miss the retest. Yeah, but maybe now you're watching orange juice, but be careful. Also, this market will be closed in the next couple of hours. Yeah, so maybe it's better, in my opinion, to wait to see what is going on from Monday. The retest happened also on that one. We were watching on 15 minutes for a possible entry. The reason, because guys, look how it's looking, orange juice. I have this trend resistance, finally break it, coming down, didn't keep like a support, and now it's happening in this area. Something is coming, a move is coming, in my opinion. Also watch this one. And now let's go to, that's it with the food related commodities. Yeah,
you know what else is really interesting right now? Oil on the 1 day.
Oil,
buddy,
let me finish with the food related commodities, and we'll go on that one, and after on metals, because unfortunately I don't have it here. You cannot trade I'm talking about corn, and the beauty is you can trade it on ProFarms, on TradeOfI, if you are interested. Look at this chart. Look at this chart, only one direction. I don't know you guys what you're thinking, but I never see a gap like that on corn. This is a gap.
So it is almost time to harvest. So it is for corn in Europe.
I know. So, also in my country, they will start next week. I saw it.
So just be worried about that.
Is that a gap to the left side? We have a gap to the bottom.
This is the gap.
Oh wow.
What bottom, buddy?
Oh, 1 hour. Sorry. I thought you were daily. Okay. Never mind. I thought you were on the daily chart.
Nobody. This is huge. Look at this gap. Yeah. So now this. Yeah, Chris.
I was gonna say I'd be looking for shorts on this. So would.
I don't know, buddy.
I know you would.
For me, the most tricky. For me, is the most tricky one for trading now. Maybe for you, but for you, it's much easier. But for me, I don't want. If I didn't have that cocoa trade now and supposed to look for a new trade, I don't think so. This somebody.
It's just that there's going to be a lot of corn coming into the market from all over Europe, so there is all at once.
Yeah, but now is the time because can still push. No, will be a while. So they will start harvesting. Yeah, but will be a while until we'll be in the deposits and stuff like that. Yeah, and shipping. Now it's a problem with the shipping. I don't know if you noticed, but also look here. Also, I forgot something to share. Related with the oil, yeah, because now people they are complaining about diesel price. Yeah, I don't know if it was shared it here. So you see, crude oil, diesel, crude losses weekly momentum while diesel routes lengthen. Yeah, so it's still going up the price in diesel. So also will be I think will be very expensive this winter, the wheat, corn, and everything, because these are the two main ingredients worldwide. Yeah, the two main commodities, corn and wheat. Yeah, that also was affected about that. So I don't know how it will be, buddy, but it's a chance to still pushing for a while. Again, I'm on 1 hour time frame. Yeah, if you're looking like that on daily, let's see which. What we have here. Let me go on weekly. You see these 2 weeks? Maybe it's going there. I don't know. But what if it's going to that area and after start dropping? Because if you're looking on the big picture, still has a lot of room. And look how the breakout was. Yeah, look on weekly. Literally 3 weeks. Oh, guys, this is 3 white soldiers. Oh yeah. It's not the volume, but look at the candles.
yeah.
I don't know if look at the candles. Man, I need to stop everything. Yeah. Big candle, even bigger. Crazy. In 2 hours this one will be closed, this candle. 2 hours.
It'd be interesting to see what happened last September. Like if you go back in time to
okay.
Last September.
Good idea, buddy.
That's a nice one.
A pushed. There you go.
Yeah. Let's go on monthly. Buddy.
Look at the candle.
Yeah, so we started pushing in September last year, basically.
Yeah.
So this year we're pushing in August. Last year we started pushing in September. Till the end of the year, even further more. The last green candle is
buddy every year. Look,
September
2020. Yeah, September. Yeah, start from there. Go like that. January. After that, dump.
You would wonder then, is it like more southern hemisphere produces this crop than the northern hemisphere?
I think depends of the weather, because also look in that in 2023. Yeah, where is was September?
Drop. Yeah.
September drop. Depends how the harvesting. If they make nice numbers, if the supply is beat the expectation, I think this one can go. But now we need to watch the weather. Yeah, and look what is going on in China. In Europe, like everybody know, which was the number one country in the world for producing corn and wheat was Ukraine. 40% only plant in Ukraine. So we need to watch the weather, in my opinion. So let's see. It's a chance. Look at this candle, man. It's crazy on monthly. I think is bigger than Bitcoin.
Wow.
Yeah. So this is on 25%. Let's go Bitcoin.
22 or something it got to.
Oh, no. Bitcoin was 30%.
Wow.
Who expected? Yeah. In August, 30%. 30% in August, which is historically, is the most bearish
month
month ever.
Yes, it's usually a red month. Exactly.
Yeah. And look here. By the way, you like this chart, guys? What do you think? To going to the moon?
Sure. I think
you don't want to hear what I have to say. You don't want to hear what I have to say.
Zoom in the 15 minutes.
I told baby my thoughts last night.
We're having a nice drop.
Okay, let's finish with the food-related commodities, and after we go. So yeah, guys, can be a potential move to the upside. Of course, can be. Yeah, we don't know. We have where is this one? This is soybean. Sorry, guys. Where is corn? Back to corn. I know. So we have this gap. We have that level to the upside. Can go there, and after dump, I don't know. We need to watch this one. Of course, not on weekly time frame. We need to zoom in to see what is going on. I hope this one will be covered very soon, because I told you I don't remember when I see this type of gaps. I'm talking about big one, because gaps you can find on this one. For example, there, was a gap. Very small gap, was a gap. Didn't recover. Yeah. So can move this one also. Look at that moment I charted from there. Man, look at the move. 22%.
Yeah.
Yeah, buddy. So now let's see where we be. But if it's going down now and recover this gap also was huge, guys. Yeah. 5%. Yeah. Crazy numbers. So if this one decide to go and fill the gap from this level, can be a nice short, Chris. Yeah. Almost 6%, which will be very, very good.
Interesting. Keep an eye on.
Yeah, of course. Now let's go. You mentioned oil, buddy. Yeah.
On the daily, I think we're gonna pop soon. So we'll do next week at some stage. I think we'll pop.
Okay, look at daily. Which type of TA I have? Bounce from that level almost. Remember the one I'm still testing, 705. Move it. React from 236. So now you think this one can go up?
Yeah, put a trend line from the bottom.
Oh, I know.
And then put a trend line along the top. It's going to try. It's squeezing in a triangle here. That's what it is. Yeah. But it needs to break this first, obviously.
Yeah,
we're getting there.
Yeah, similar with cocoa. Similar
Next
with
week,
coffee.
Yeah.
Keep an eye on this one, guys. Somebody want to trade it. Again, depends what you're trading. If you're trading tokenized version, you can keep a trade for how long you want. If you're trading CFDs, you can keep the trade how long you want. If you're trading on prop firms, sorry to tell you, but only 23 hours. Yeah, for example, if you're trading on Trade-O-Fi, so will be good. That type of prop firm platforms, Trade-O-Fi is good for scalping, in my opinion. So you can make your daily profits there. Is the best way. to do it. So yeah, for the moment is fighting body with 382 on Fibonacci level. I like what you're seeing here. Also, I want to put this one like a possible resistance in the future, because I was watching that area finally break it, and look how violent was the breakout. Now let's see what is going on. Yeah, we need to wait. But yeah, interesting.
Obviously, if this pushes all your food commodities will go up at the same time, then so they will. You know,
I hope so.
It'll get more expensive to transport everything, though. So.
Yeah. Let's see. The only thing I don't like when this one is going to the upside because it will affect gold and also Bitcoin. If oil start pushing.
Look at that MACD on the weekly as well, huh?
Yeah. That's the problem. That's the problem. What I'm seeing here. But buddy, and another thing which will not be very good. It means if this one start pushing, it means the nonsense between US and Iran will start
definitely.
Yeah.
So
yeah, well. And look, I know. Brent still has that gap to the upside, so it does, man. Like, Brent will come and get that gap.
Yeah, I know you're talking about that one. Yeah, buddy. I don't know if I can find it here. I think I have it on.
It was on your other thing, so it was. That's why I said about oil.
Let me. Oh, yeah. Look here. This gap you mentioned.
That gap, yeah.
It's still there.
All the way back to 102.
I know. I know you're waiting this one for a while. But if it's breaking this one, buddy, yeah, definitely is going. So in my opinion, this is a strong resistance now. So let's see. We need to have patience with this one. Okay, that's it with oil. Now let me show you some metals. Remember we discussed about this one yesterday, yeah? Copper. Finally is going to fill the gap. Look, a huge gap. And for copper, also was a huge in percentages, 1.5. Only 1 unit on this one. You know the amount of money you make like that?
I know.
2,500. 1 unit, buddy. Yeah. So because of that, also something else push up today. So I was looking on a semiconductor index chart. Yeah, that one was bullish, and buddy. So this one is included in that chart, and look here.
Palladium?
I need to go on daily. Look at palladium. Crazy.
Man, if you got that this morning, wow.
Yeah.
Buddy, nothing to do. You cannot trade this one. Look, you know how we trading on Tradeify, yeah? Look at the gaps. Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Huge. So, but this one explode because I was like I talking about in the US. Oh, now it's in a correction. Crazy. That one was start moving. I saw that gap, and then I told you watch the semiconductor market. Yeah, because also we looking on this one. To be honest, on this one it doesn't matter the gaps, because every time it has a gap because of the futures. What is going on? Majority of the commodities, this type of metal commodities, you can trade it 23 hours per day. Yeah, not like this chart, for example, which is you can trade it also only when Nasdaq it's open. So yeah, I saw that one, and of course others start moving. And now because this one, I noticed something, guys. Every time this chart is very correlated with what copper is doing. Because copper now is the most heavy semiconductor used worldwide. Yeah, palladium is not that, but I think also some type of news I need to check. So Monday I will promise I will have the information why this chart move like that. But yeah, explosion. What I know about palladium, I think they're using in nuclear energy, and also
catalytic converters. Catalytic converters in your car. You know, it stops all the.
I don't know nothing.
Yeah, well, that's what.
And also, if you want to make white gold, yeah, you know the normal gold, you mix it with palladium and silver. if you want to make white gold, not only silver, because majority of the people, they think you mix only silver, you put silver in gold, and in that way, no. Also, you need to put palladium. So yeah, I don't know how will be this one. I don't know the reason why it's pro like that, because outperform everything in this type of semiconductors. Now, in my opinion, it's a high chance to go to that level. Yeah, let's see how will be this one. But yeah, already again we're talking about this chart also in our community. And guys, if you want to take advantage about these moves, I told you every London session we discuss about this type of markets, and we share the news there. So for you, only to press that link in the description and join in our community, and you can take advantage about this market, because majority of them in that moment the markets are closed, and you have time to prepare your TA, your chart, and everything to start the trade on this type of commodities. And yeah, guys, that's it. I like, look what is, by the way, look what is going on with gold, guys.
Yep.
Wow.
Yeah, let me go on the spot gold, because I think this is future, and I want to look together on gold spot. Look what is going on here. It's crazy. Look what happened today. Yeah, everything start moving like that, and big volatility when the Fed chair started talking about in Jackson Hole, and look what happened. That one was very fast, and now it's not keeping this type of support. Let's see how it will be. In my opinion, it's a high chance. I don't know what you guys thinking, but it's a high chance to coming back here again to retest this type of area, which is 4,400 area. Will be a nice. I'm very curious. I need to turn on my indicator to see what is going on. I have the signal on. What do you think, guys? I have the signal?
Yes. Oh,
no.
Not yet. Go to the 1 hour. Go to the 1 hour. Go to the 1 hour.
15 minutes.
No. How the hell? On daily it is, buddy.
Yeah.
The reason is not on 4 hours, because already I have 2. You see?
Okay.
Yeah.
So that's the reason. On daily is the first one. If this candle is closing like that in this area, it's a high chance to go even lower. Yeah, because look how it's looking. Look the oscillators on daily. Yeah, doesn't matter. Okay, this is daily. Doesn't mean you cannot take longs, for example. You can scalp it on 15 minutes. Yeah, take some longs, because you don't need to be honest, only one candle like that on 15 minutes or 2 of them, and that's it. Your daily profit is there. You make money for the day. Yeah, but look how it's doing. I'm very curious to see, guys, now Bitcoin. What Bitcoin is doing? Oh, Bitcoin is dropping.
You want to see what Bitcoin is doing. Look at that.
Okay, let's
Take
go
it, baby.
to...
I took Ethereum. I got Ethereum at
2005.
Yeah.
Nice.
Okay, so they clear all the liquidation levels, guys. Yeah, they took all the big ones. Let's see if it's stopping to the small one. I'm talking about 25x leverage. Guys, if somebody from here, our viewers, don't know what I have here, I mark every day in London session, and of course I am dating for the US session the liquidation levels. I'm talking about the traders with taking trades, long or shorts with 100x, 50x, and 25x. So in this area, what you're seeing here with 25, with 50 and 100x liquidation level. I'm talking about the crazy traders that are trading with 100x and not putting stop loss. I hope you are not in that one. Yeah. Because it's crazy. I don't know, guys, how these guys are trading like that, by the way, because we know you're using that indicator. Yeah, we're showing all the liquidation levels, and the problem is that one is not showing me. For example, me, if I'm trading, I open a trade now with 100x, but I put $1. I'm not showing on that indicator. You need large amount of money. Yeah, millions of dollars. I don't know how these guys are trading like that with no stop loss. They prefer to be liquidated. Like the ones, remember when sometimes I'm share in our community, that guy opened a $140 million position size with no stop loss. crazy what is going on there. So I'm very curious when it will stop. But in my opinion, I think it's time for a correction. If it's breaking this type of area, where
34K.
No. Sorry to tell you, buddy, but level by level, I'm expecting me personally in this area.
70, 71,
71. Broke that trend support. Now will be resistance. In my opinion, how I'm seeing, it's a chance. If somebody missing shorts now, wait for this one. Yeah, I'm expecting like that. I don't think so we'll break that level straight away. Will be a bounce coming back like that, and after look for a short, because nice can be a nice scenario in this way. Also, look what I have on daily. Yeah. Look how it's correlated the line I have on the daily time frame. So I want to go in this area to this level, bounce from there. Let's see how long will be, but I like it. I don't think so. It's not a freaking chance, by the way, guys, today, or maybe I'm wrong. I don't know. Imagine Bitcoin dump today here. Huh? Imagine that scenario. Fast. Oh yeah.
Went up that fast.
Yeah. True, buddy. True. But imagine this one. Imagine how people will be panicking. And by the way, I don't know if you saw it. I was checking the liquidation area on daily time frame. Guys, if Bitcoin is going under 60,000 and is touching 59,500, $2.4 billion. $2.4 billion. Yeah, only on Bitcoin. I'm not talking about the altcoin market. Only on Bitcoin, guys. So crazy. Look, yeah.
People need to take profit, Bogdan. It's their own fault. If you took along at 60,000 and you're not taking profit, what are you?
81. If you did not take profit,
look here. I'm not in any trade. Yeah, I know. I show on my account. I don't want to be. That's it. Any trade on crypto. Sorry to mention. I'm supposed to mention that. Yeah, I mean that one. Yeah, I mean Coco. That one I want to keep. That one is a different type of trade. Yeah, so in that one I want to keep it. But yeah, if you don't take profits, something is wrong with you. In my opinion,
30% in 1 week. We hit 81. We hit 50 EMA on the weekly. If you did not take profits,
something is wrong with you.
I really don't notice it.
Yeah, you deserve to be liquidated.
Oh yeah. That's true, Chris.
That's how you learn. That's how you learn.
Yeah, exactly. And
but yeah, we're definitely, look at your USDT dominance. It's your only green one on your whole list. There you go.
Sorry, buddy, didn't go to your target.
Yeah,
but look what is going on now. It's trying to break. What do you think? Reaction from there.
It has broke though, has it not?
Yeah, buddy, this one is going up. I will be very curious if it's fighting with this line. I have it in that period of time because already retested a little bit there. Didn't touch it. So I'm very curious to see how will react. What is doing Bitcoin dominance? At least I'm happy, buddy. You know me. I like when these two charts are moving in the same direction. Yeah, for me,
your alts don't bleed as much.
Yeah,
yes, exactly. It's wonderful. If it's going like that, go for it. Yeah. Also, you saw today the volatility on Dixie. By the way, Chris. So you saw that drop in gold, yeah? Please don't be scared when I will show you this chart.
This break.
No. This is no. Look at this chart, buddy.
Oh, wow.
Your dollars are getting more expensive.
Exactly. Yeah. Crazy. No, actually, no more expensive. Not more expensive, buddy. Now, dollar is strong if it's going like that.
Stronger, it's stronger compared to other currencies. Basically, that's what it is. Yeah. That's what it is.
Yeah, so I think it broke that big trend out. But zoom out a little bit on this.
Yeah, it's nothing.
Because that's
I have that rising
trend.
wage.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And has it got underneath that rising wedge or no?
No.
Oh, okay, okay.
That is the line. That is the
it
line.
literally bounced off that rising wedge.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah.
Well, there you go.
So that's the reason crypto is going down, because this chart is going up. Yeah. Every time this chart is going up, it's not okay. And remember what I told for everybody in our community in London session, guys. 2 charts you need to watch today. First, gold and Dixie. This one, the most volatile one today. Man, crazy. Chris, I didn't expect it, buddy. Look on 15 minutes. Look at that candle. You don't see this one doing like, look what is normal for this chart. Yeah. It's crazy.
Today was the day to trade Forex.
I think so. Yeah. I think so, buddy. I think so. I don't know, but now I don't see this very well, to be honest. I hope, buddy, what I'm hoping now, this line, because it was for a while, for some type of support, yeah, I hope this one will be a resistance now. To be honest, I don't think so. The reason, when I'm explaining everybody in our club about the trend lines, third touch, so break it at the third time. That's the reason the move didn't play very well.
Do you want to look at one real quick?
Yeah.
Australian dollar to the US dollar.
Let me go here. Against US dollar?
Yeah, against US dollar.
You are curious to see how we react today?
On the daily? Yeah, look at it on the daily. Look at this. This would be a nice short is what I'm thinking.
I think Matt is happy.
Yeah. No, Matt's not happy. No, Matt's not happy. No, he's not happy. He's the opposite of happy. The dollar is about to go down. The Australian dollar is about to go down.
Was for a while, buddy.
Yeah, okay. He was happy for a while, but
was happy because the Australian dollar was stronger than the US dollar. Not anymore. Yeah, I think will be a very good short this one. Oh, thank you for this, buddy. I think I will trade it.
Of course.
Look at this one. Yeah, I like it. Okay, how is looking on weekly?
It's got room.
Look, it has a lot of room.
Yeah.
Look what is here. Look who is here, Chris.
Oh,
thank you, buddy. We tried. We tried to bring important things, not like not all the time the same market, because you need to pay attention to different market. But this
trades on everything, so we might as well trade everything.
Buddy, look how it's looking on monthly. Okay, I want to put this type of line. Maybe you think I'm crazy, but buddy, I don't know what to say. Maybe okay. On daily, yeah.
On daily, yeah.
Nice short.
This looks like a short on daily, definitely.
Nice short. Okay, let's put some fib levels. If you don't have my indicator, not too many people. I think nobody has my indicator because I have the line. I don't need to put it. Put a line like that. If it's breaking this one, yeah, look how it's a little bit correlated with 236 on Fibonacci level. Maybe it's a chance this one to coming back and retest this area 618.
That makes sense. I like that.
Yeah,
I like that. Yeah.
So yeah, it's looking nice. Thank you, buddy. Let's put I put a sign there.
So the percentages aren't big on this, but it's 500x on it. So it is. I know it's like 2% or something. So, but it's 500x at 200.
And the beauty it is, I can keep it for a while on my Bybit account. Yeah. So it's nice. It's nice. Thank you, buddy. Thank you. It's looking interesting. What happened with that one, buddy? We're talking about.
Oh, it's still there. It hasn't moved.
Okay.
It literally hasn't moved. Look, it's
still sideways. Going down. Was bullish yesterday. Announced this candle Wednesday. Tried yesterday to push. Now it's going down. Let's zoom.
When did we start talking about this? Was it Tuesday?
I think from there, because you're talking about like that, you saw that one and you mentioned
on Monday. Because we weren't Tuesday. Here on Monday. Must be Tuesday.
Oh no, Tuesday. Yeah. Tuesday. Yeah. Right, buddy. But this one still can go down.
A lot of downside.
Very curious. Yeah. I'm very curious how we react from that area.
Definitely.
Yeah. And again, guys, this one you can trade it on the prop firms. Yeah. Also on the majority of the platforms, but also you can scalp it here. Again, you can trade it only 23 hours per day. But yeah, let's see how we react. I'm very curious how we react to this one. Buddy, I will put a alarm here.
Mm-hmm.
I want to trade this one. Yeah, live cattle futures. And yeah, I think that's it, guys, for today. I think it's enough. Again, 1 hour. Sorry about that, guys. I tried.
Hey, I'm happy enough. 1 hour's fine. 1 hour's fine.
And
make sure you like, you comment, subscribe, press the notification button, and press this and do that. And
give us all
by the way, yesterday live, we have some nice numbers, and I hope the numbers will grow. Thank you for the support views, guys. I saw more than 100 people view our recording after we finish live. Yeah. So thank you for that, guys. Thank you very, very much. Again, if you have any questions, comments, please put in the comment section there. Believe us, we're looking on the comments and we'll answer all the questions. And also in the lives, if you have questions or you want to look on a specific chart, we are here. Yeah. So yeah, guys. And again, we have the link in the description. Please take a look in our community. Why not? It's for free. Join there. If you like it, maybe you will stay in our family, because we build there like a small family. And not a small family, actually. We are a
big family.
We are a big family.
Big international family.
International family.
Exactly. And it doesn't matter if you are a beginner or expert for a while. I think nobody's an expert trade, but if you have
if you pretend you are.
Yeah, it doesn't matter. Yeah, doesn't matter your level of in trading. Join us. Maybe you like what we're building there. Again, we have a lot of tools built there, especially for beginners. We can help you in your journey. We're not promising you will be a millionaire over the night. We are not that type of the club. Yeah, we are exactly. We are not the copy trade club, by the way.
No.
So if you join that we build this club, this community, to teach you to become a trader. For you to press that button, and that's it. Yeah, exactly, guys. So sorry, but we are not that type of the.
And I love that, by the way, Bogdan. Yeah, I love that. Like, especially this week, like yesterday and today, you asked me, "Do you have any charts?" And I'm like, "No, we don't need to show charts today. We don't need to give trades, because if I do, you're just lying to your community. You're just putting them in a trap. The market is unclear. We need to understand that you don't need to trade every day. Just because we do the calls and this is what we do, doesn't mean that I have to give you charts on daily basis. And that's a mistake that I think a lot of others do, because they feel like they're forced to give trades every day, and you don't, man. When there's no trade, there's no trade. It's as simple as that. It's as simple as that.
Exactly. And me, for example, I'm very happy because remember in the beginning when we open this community, this club, 99.9% of the people, they're trading only one market.
Yeah.
If you remember. One freaking market, which was only crypto. That's it. They don't think about, it exists something else. Oh yeah, a lot of things. And look now, crypto market is dumping. Yeah, we take advantage about that move. Maybe our people which are shorting now, I hope, because we show them the possible moves. if they don't comfortable to short the market, like me, for example, I have a solution. That's the reason I tried. I jump in commodities, and look what is commodities are doing. They don't care what is going on today. What happened in the US. They care about the weather. So look at this type of market. It's pushing, and we're making good trades there. Good trades, good profits. So I'm very happy where our community is going in the direction they take it, because now, and guys, I don't know, but a lot of questions now coming related with metals, oil, indices, commodities. A lot of people now they are trading this type of thing, and I love it. I remember when I started looking on this market 2 years ago, everybody laughing about me.
yeah, orange juice. Yeah, I remember.
My God! Everybody laughing in that period of time because I'm
trading orange juice, Bogdan's orange juice.
Yeah. And look, and look now, guys.
Hey,
so
hey.
Yeah.
Good job, man.
Thank you, buddy. Thank you, and I hope more people they will jump in this type of markets, because it's much difficult to manipulate this type of markets. Yeah, you cannot manipulate the weather. Nobody can manipulate it this time.
Well, they do cloud seeding in Dubai. So
that's next. So that's
I'm not talking about it's too hot or a little bit of rain. I'm talking about the problem what happened yesterday in Nepal. Yeah, that one nobody want to do this type of things. Yeah, if you need to be very sick if somebody can create this type of events. Yeah. It's it's on a different level. So you see, you cannot control this type of thing. So that's the reason now this market is reacting. I know it's not a pleasant event. It's horrible what happened there. But if we can take advantage about this type of events and make some money, why not? Yeah, I think we are not the only one. That's the reason the market is going like that. Yeah. Crazy. So everybody now was looking on this type of things. And again, guys, if you want to take advantage about these possible events in the world and to find out before the market start pushing, again, I told you we share a lot of information related with what is going on worldwide and all the markets. We cover all the markets there, so you have access to information very fast and in the right time. Not after look, already make 20%. Yeah, no.
Yeah.
Straight away in that moment. So okay, guys, I think that's it. I don't want to stay too long.
Nice. Thanks, Bogdan. Thanks, BB.
Thank you, guys. Thank you, guys, for
enjoy your weekend. Be safe out there.
See you again Monday.
Yes, sir.
Monday. Yeah. Okay.
Awesome.
And like I told you, Monday I want to stay like that. You and Chris and BB, both of you need to share charts. I will stay like that, relax.
Yeah. Be nice.
Be prepared.
Nice for the rest of us.
Okay, guys. Thank you for today.
Awesome.
Have a great weekend. And all the viewers, please enjoy the weekend. If you are not in any trades, I don't know how it will be this weekend. Me personally, I want to take off this weekend. I know a couple of weekends in the past, I take some scalps, some nice trades. But I don't know how will be this one, so I prefer to protect the profits I make it last week. Actually, I already put into work in Coco. Sorry.
Never mind.
But I'm already protected with that one, so let's see how we'll play. It's a little bit risky. Oh, by the way, Chris, remember our discussion about the fees over the weekend? I'm very curious to see how much they will charge me, these guys, for 2 days in a row. I will tell you. I will share with you Monday to see what is going on. Okay. Thank you for today, guys. Bye-bye. Take care. See you Monday.
Thanks, everyone.
Bye.